Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add pronouns to your TikTok profile. So first, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then you want to click on where it says Edit Profile. In your Edit Profile settings, you want to go down to where it says Pronouns and click on where it says Add Pronouns. From here, you want to enter in your pronouns. So for me, I go by he, him, his. So if I type in he, we can see that we get autocompletes, and I can go ahead and select he, him, his right here. And then once we have selected our pronouns, go up to the top right and click on save. We can see our pronouns are now listed here in our settings. And if we go back one more time, up at the top, we can now see our pronouns listed below our profile name. So now when someone goes to our profile, they'll be able to see our pronouns listed right below our profile name. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.